Hey guys, welcome back to Best of Aviation. Today, we begin with this F-16 jet, which lands almost too early and has a near miss with onlookers. This pilot performs a crazy landing over the St. Martin, Maho Beach. This British Airways Boeing 787 struggles with landing and is forced to take off again.
You got it. Oh my God.
Powerful jet rips up the runway. Indian Air Force pilot saves this helicopter from crashing. Passenger records scary turbulence during a flight. Military helicopter nearly hits a woman journalist. Airplane crashes in Talcha Airport, Nepal. This pilot performs a very risky last-minute takeoff. This helicopter is flying low through the city. And that's it for today's video. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, and subscribe to the channel for more awesome aviation content. See you in the next one.